they prayed. And we did a lot in order to achieve greatness. Verses we study, not only Genesis, but have a doctorate. We come to have authority by being politician. We wanted to be the first, and we would never want to be last. And this kind of understanding is different from the teaching of Christ. Ang kabalitunan ng pagiging great o dakila ang itinuturo ng ating Panginoong Jesus. Kung para sa atin at sa mundong ito, ang kadakilaan ay yung pagkakaroon ng marami, the more, the worse, the Lord, the boss. For Jesus, it is not the measure of being great, but rather it is humility to serve others. Maliwanag ang sinasabi sa Ebanghelyo na ang gusto ni Jesus, kung nais kong maging dakila, tayo ay maglingkod. Maging hindi nakahuli sa lahat at pagsilbihan ang lahat. And I think it is forgotten by the many servers of the church, even among priests and those who are in the church. They bow to serve, but they lord it over. Nais ko lang sila ay sumumpa na maglingkod, pero pagdating ng panahon at pagkakataon, sila ang pinaglingkuran. In my experience sa Paris, please, I had this trending, or probably the common denominator of those who serve. For example, if they become the leader, they are very active. They really support the Paris and love the Paris priest. Especially the Paris priest is eyeing them, or having the Paris priest supporting them all the way. Madali kong maglingkod talaga kapag ang hindi ka kinukontra, ikaw ang leader, at lahat ng support ka ay nasa sa iyo. But is this really the real service that Jesus is telling us in the gospel? Paano kung hindi ka na tinatamburan? Paano kung hindi ka na leader? Paano kung ordinary kami na iba? O ordinary miyembro ng isang ministeryo? Dito na natin makikita ang kanilang mga paradahilan. Hindi na ako mag-a-active sa simbahan kasi marami na akong gawain. Pero dati, kung sila ang leader, walang dahilan at walang excuse, they would always be available to serve. Pero hindi na sila naging leader, parang nagtuba na ang takbo ng mundo. And in my experience, there are a lot. For example, we have 10 chapters, and he chose one to be leader. But one, they knew from the very beginning that their position is not permanent. Every year, there will be a change of leadership. but others doesn't want just to be a member, but rather a leader. Dahil mo na nakikita, pagka hindi na sa iyong leader, hindi na siya sumusuporta, walang kanyang ng presence, yung dati ay nagbibigay ng ayuda, tumutulong, yun, hindi na ginagawa. Bakit? Kasi yung paglilingkod, hindi totoo. Sabi nga, you don't need to be a Christian in order to serve people. You don't need to be a priest in order to serve the Jews. By learning a member, doing your thing, means a lot as a servant. Hindi mo kailangan ng posisyon sa paglilingkod. Because for Christ, it's not more, but less. It is not first, but last. That's why the mother who asked to have his sons to sit at the left and the right hand of Jesus means authority. Anong kamay, kaliwang kamay. Kapag natutulog ang kanilang anak, magiging makapangyarihan. Kaya kung kaganda ang turo ni San Francisco ng ating patron, don't aspire to position. There are people who are blessed to be in that position. And we, as Franciscan, our goal is to serve. And if we are called for a higher position, take it in the name of service. But not pride, but not of authority, but not of being a leader, but rather a servant. Maniwala po sa isip ni San Francisco na ang mga taong nais o ang mga pride ay huwag dapat ang nag-aambisyon ng pagkakaroon ng posisyon. When you ambition position, then you would see that everything would collapse. Kapag ka po ang iyong ambisyon ay ang pagkakaroon ng posisyon, it would be your downfall in life because position is given, not earned.